What's up guys, today I got another video for you, and this time around I'll be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. So you open your Twitter app, and then the next step is to tap on these three lines over here. Tap on that, tap on that, and then scroll down to settings and privacy. Tap on that, and then go to general display and sound. Tap on that, and then that's the first thing you'll see when you go to display, dark mode. Tap on that, and then there's the option of turning it on or setting it so that it turns on automatically at sunset. So you tap on, and as you can see, there's two options in dark theme: the dim and the lights out. This is how dim looks like. But if you'd like to go all lights out, you just tap on lights out, display and sound, dark mode, and lights out. And this is how lights out looks like. Yeah, it's as easy as that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if this video has helped you out in your experience, please give this channel please give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.